What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois, bringing you a new video on our new arrival, 2009 Ford Mustang Shelby GT-500. Man, this is a really cool car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it, and I'm going to dive deeper into it. First off, you got that blown 5.4 liter under the hood. I got it running right now. Step in here. As you see, 16,000 miles. 16,000 miles. That's pretty low mileage. And over here, I have the window sticker. Just take a look at that. This car was $47,490 brand new. And then right here, I have the pretty much the certification. As you can see, they only made 3,004 of these cars in 2009. Very cool. And your owner's manual. All that really cool stuff. As you see, it's got the 6-speed manual. Only way you should order one of these cars. Radio works good. Everything works good. Horn works. Everything works on this car. It's a 16,000 mile car. Just take a listen to that thing. You'd hear that blower. This thing sounds awesome. As you see, premium fuel only. All your gauges in the middle. The interior is really nice. A little wear and tear on the radio buttons, but let's go ahead and open the trunk. I'm going to shut the car off. As you can see, the interior is immaculate. There's really nothing wrong with it. That's the only flaw. And to make that better, comes with a new radio. It comes with one that has no wear on the buttons. We have it here in a box. This comes with the car. So you don't have to worry about that. You see the factory subwoofer there. Really cool that these things have the factory subwoofer. Shelby GT-500. There's your Shelby badging there. As you can see, the paint's really clean. No fading, nothing like that. It's got like a semi-gloss or flat black stripe. That's what this car came with. As you can see under the hood, extremely clean. I mean, looks like a 16,000 mile car. And it's going to be hard to find another one with this low miles. I'm going to go ahead and lower the hood. Put our hood prop back. And then let's close the hood. Right there. And this car just looks sinister. As you can see, it comes with the wheels. The GT500 came with the graphics package. Obviously the badges. And then you got the wheels with the big Brembo brakes. And like I said, as you can see, the exterior on this car is really clean. Your tail lights are nice. All your lenses are nice. Your glass. You could just tell whoever owned this car took care of it and barely drove it. There's your VIN. Just a really cool car. Let's go ahead, get in the back seat area. And I'll tell you how much leg room there is back here, because I seem to be doing that the last couple videos. I'm a fairly shorter guy. Well, I'm an average height person, and there's not a lot of leg room back here. So, but it's tolerable for somebody my height, which is average height. But if you're 6'5", the person's gonna have to move their seat up a little bit. But other than that, not too bad. In the back of this 2009 Shelby GT-500. Let's go ahead and move the seat back to where it was. And as you can see, I'll step back in the car here and I'll demonstrate. I'll start it up. Starts right up. Got your lighting in here on the cup holders. Change it with this button. I like blue. Your radio. And let's try your air conditioning. Ice cold. What about heat? Let's try the heat. Blows hot. Really hot. As you see, here's a traction control button, everything there. And in the glove box is where you would find the owner's manual and the booklets. Now, let's open this up. And you see you got the GT-500 supplement. Let's pull that out. I'll show you that. Just a little booklet about the car here and there, you know. But very cool, this car came with all the books, comes with the original window sticker, and your certification. As you can see, let's turn the lights on. One thing I love about these cars is just how nice they look lit up. They just have a mean look. Give you a walk around on the exterior here. You see, it's really clean. So if you're looking for a 2009 Ford Mustang Shelby GT-500, this is the one, because man, it is really clean. And it's here. We offer financing and shipping. So give us a call, 847-848-1850. It's located in one of our two warehouses here in Addison, Illinois. Both of them are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. Here's the showroom. You can see I got a few cars out right now in the middle, but we fill it up and we have a lot of cars to choose from, that is for sure. So stop on by. Like I said, special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Excuse me. And we have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed. But our cars are sold as is unless it is stated otherwise. So speak to your sales representative for a service quote. So stop on by, pick up the car you've always wanted. Remember, financing, shipping, we'll sort you out. I want to see somebody take this gorgeous Mustang home. I absolutely love this color, very similar to the Eleanor colors on the famous Mustang and the Gone in 60 Seconds movie, Eleanor. This is what the colors remind me of. So this is a modern Eleanor in my mind. And it is an absolutely beautiful car. So stop on by, give us a call, and I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Mr. Jenkins out.